this is our new build property that was built by Taylor Wimpey, and it is a 4-bed detached house called a Trusdale. So you enter here, and this is the entranceway. You then have a little door where you'll find the fuse box and the internet box. So that's the fuse box at the top, and then you'll see the internet box and a plug. So as you can see, the hallway is pretty decent sized, and on the left here you've got the downstairs toilet. I'm going to open up the understairs storage. So there's a little bit of storage there to put a few things. And then this is the lounge. So you've got the window that looks outside, and then this is the lounge. So it's more of a rectangular shape. And then you've got the patio doors that lead outside to the garden or the backyard. And then now we have the kitchen diner. So on the left here is the dining area, so you can put a table with chairs to sit and eat. And you've got 2 windows that bring in quite a good amount of light. And then on the other side you've got the kitchen itself. So as you can see, there's an island, and then you have the 2 ovens and the fridge next to it. Then there you've got the hood, and you've got a gas stove. You have your sink. That cupboard there is the boiler, the cupboard on the left, and just underneath that cupboard is the washing machine, the dishwasher rather. Then you've got another window, and then you've got cupboards on the island. Then this is the little utility room where the washing machine is, and an extra cupboard. I'm going to show you outside now. So this is the outside. You've got a door that leads to a gate that leads to the garage, and then you've got slabs there, which is handy, and we've got our 3 disposal bins. It's a decent sized garden with part of it wood walled and then the other part brick walled. And then this is the side of the property. And this is the garage that has a personalized door, so we can get into the garage. And then there's a little space just at the back of the garage there. Okay, so now we'll go upstairs. And And this is the landing. Okay, so we're going to start with the master bedroom first. So this is the master bedroom. With a window that looks over the garden. And then this is the ensuite, which has a shower and of course a sink and a toilet. And you've got your shaving socket there, spotlights, and we've got a textured tile at the back of that shower. And then up there is the loft, or some people call it an attic. And this is the smallest bedroom. And this one is the second largest bedroom. And then we go into the third largest bedroom. This one has 2 windows, so it gets quite a lot of sunlight, and then it has a little cupboard for storage. And then this door just has the water tank. And then this is the main bathroom. So this one has a tub, and again, of course, your sink and toilet. And this is the downstairs toilet, or WC. So this is one side of the house. And then I'm just going to show you the driveway that fits maybe 2 or 3 cars. And that driveway leads to our garage, which is connected to the neighbor's garage. So we have one single garage which is next to the neighbor's. And this is the gate I showed you earlier that leads to the garden. And now we're going to just open the garage so you can see inside. And then there you have the personalized door that also leads to the garden. And that's it for our new home.